Hi everyone, this is your Naveen, Social Science Facilitator. In previous class, we were doing the chapter of geography, that is manufacturing of industries. In that we have seen the meaning of manufacturing industry, why is, what is the importance of manufacturing industry, and its contribution towards to national economy. And to start an industry, what things we require, what are the location to start with the industry. After that we have seen the classification of industries. Under that, the first one we have started with the agro based industry. Under that we have discussed about textile industry. Textile industries, we were discussing regarding cotton industry. We spoke under the cotton industry, when the cotton industry was started, what is the importance of cotton industries, and all we spoke. And in India, why do we need improve our weaving sector? What is the why it is necessary? What is the need, and why it is for what reason we have to improve? The first reason is we have made significant increase in the production of good quality long staple cotton. See, what are the cottage industry? Cotton is there that is exporting to other country for the manufacturing sector. Especially we are growing long staple cotton. So we have to be start with the our country, the good production it will be. And power supply, in the major problem we are facing, that is power supply is erratic, and machinery needs to be upgrading in the weaving and processing sector, particularly low output of labor and stiff competition with the synthetic fiber industry. Nowadays we can see that what are the compared to cotton, what are the synthetic products? We are synthetic fiber we are using, that rayon, nylon cloths especially. So that is the reason this LR we have to take out, and we have to go with the cotton, and that time we can improve our industry. And the next one we are going to speak here about jute industry. Jute textile we are speaking here. What is the jute textile? India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods, and it stands at second place and exporter of after Bangladesh. So India, what we are saying, it is the largest producer of the raw jute. Okay, at the second, we are in the second place. The first place goes to Bangladesh. I will say why it has happened, why it is happened. So the first jute mill, where it was started in India, yeah, it's in Kolkata in the year of 1855. After the partition of 1947, the jute mills were remained in India, but 3/4 of the jute producing area went to Bangladesh. That on that time it was calling as a East Pakistan. Understand here why we are in the second place means, what are the jute producing area was there, that after the independence it went to Bangladesh. On that time it was calling by the name of East Pakistan. That is the one factor, that is where we have lost the jute this one. But measure what are the factories, most of the factories are situated in here. So one more thing, what are the factors of it's responsible or for the location of jute industry? Actually, in the most of the jute industries are located in Hooghly Basin. Why it is so? The first thing, proximity of jute producing area. So the when in the previous class we are speaking that when the industry is going to start, we are looking for the raw materials where it supplies, where we are getting the raw materials and transportation, that one. So approximately what are the jute producing area? It's near to Hooghly Basin. That is the one reason. And uh, inexpensive water transport. The transport which are the water transport, that is not expensive too much, and supported by good network of railways, roadways and waterways. We can call as it is a transportation what we are, that is supported the good network of transportation. It may be, we can call as a railways, roadways and waterways, and to facilitate movement of goods material to the mills, where the production to the mills, it will be the, we require transports, right? From the transportation it goes. And abundant water for processing raw jute. So abundant water for processing raw jute, cheap labor, that is from the West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Kolkata as a large urban center provides the banking, insurance and port facility for the export of jute goods. What are the challenges we are facing in jute industry? We can see it is stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substitute from the other competitor. For example, we can call as like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt and Thailand. However, we can say as a internal demand has been on the increase due to the government policy and mandatory use of jute packaging, that to stimulate the demand. The products need to be diversified also. The main markets for us jute are USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia, UK and Australia. The growing global concern for the environmental friendly biodegradable environment materials has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. Next one, we are going to talk here about the very sweet item we are going to talk now. It requires for every sweet, that is none other than sugar. India has stands in here, that is a second place now in the second as a world producer of sugar, but it occupies the first place in the production of gur and kandisari. So sugar cane is a perishable goods. It loses its sucrose content. It delays to transportation occurs, and so it needs to be in the nearby that place is very necessary. Sugarcane is bulky and perishable, so transportation cost reduces also. Near it is the production area, its production automatically increases. The raw materials what you used in the sugar mills, that sugar cane is bulky. In hand, in its sucrose content reduces. In recent days, as for example, which are the main states which producing sugar in India means, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh. 60% of mills are in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. This industry is seasonal in nature also, and so it is ideally suited for the cooperative sector. And in recent, what are the challenges we are having? One, I already said, it is a seasonal nature of the industry. Old and inefficient method of production, that we are not having the, what are the new technical, we are still following the old and inefficient methods. And transport delays in searching came into mills. When you are coming to the mills, that transportation if delayed, it will be going to little bit worse. Need to maximize the use of baggages, that is also here. And major challenge, and other than that, nowadays compared to Karnataka, what are the, we are calling as a Maharashtra is occupying the place in the production of this one, because it requires some time compared to Karnataka. Maharashtra is a little bit coolie area, that's the reason. And in the upcoming class I am going to talk about the mineral based industry. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Have a great day ahead.